Builder version 0.2.1. You may have noticed I've re-added sand physics, and I've also made, you notice this kind of darker sand blocks I'm falling through? That's a background wall. There's now a completely separate world array for background walls. And basically, if you middle click, it places a block in the background. This block is not interactable, and the world generates with these in caves and whatnot, and you can just remove them, like so, using air. And each block supports a different wall type. So now you can, like, build a house. In fact, I'm gonna build a house to just show you how you can use these. So let's start by building a doorway. Now, we don't have that many blocks available to us right now, since I haven't really added that much. So this is going to have to be how the roof is. We're using dirt roofs. But anyway, now that we've got our house completed, we can the other thing is the background walls don't tick, so you can place a sand wall in. Something's happening with my speakers. Anyway, yeah, just had to fix a problem with my speakers. We can now place background walls. And so yeah, now we have a little house, and we can even remove some to make a window if we want to. And yeah, that's basically what these are. I've also implemented an optimization for sand ticking that you probably hilariously saw fail at some point. Why is my clip not working? Okay. You see that glitch? That's block ID 7. Block ID 7 is not in the game. It doesn't have a texture, so it's just behaving like a null block. Let me fix that. Yeah. Block ID 7 is because stone walls were going to originally be there in separate block ID, but I decided against that because I wanted to add more wall types for every block, and adding multiple different block types for each block would be a little annoying. But the ID is still in the game's code, and can be selected. But basically, that's background walls. I also implemented an optimization for sand and water ticking, which hilariously failed at first, as you can see by one of my previous videos, but it now works just fine.